மிஸ்டர் சந்தான கிருஷ்ணன். அவர் PKF ஸ்ரீதர் அண்ட் சந்தானம் என்னும் சார்ட்டர்ட் அக்கவுண்டன்ட் நிறுவனத்தை சென்னையில் நிறுவினார். உலகளாவிய உத்தரவாதம் மற்றும் ஆலோசனை துறையில் 30 வருடங்களுக்கு மேலான அனுபவம் பெற்றவர். சென்ட்ரல் கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் த இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் சார்ட்டர்ட் அக்கவுண்டன்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் இந்தியாவில் உறுப்பினராக உள்ளார். 200 சதுரடியில் ஒரே ஒரு டைப்ரைட்டரோடு இந்த ஆஃபீஸை ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காரு. அந்த டயத்தில் யாருமே, அவருடைய அம்மா உட்பட யாருமே அவரோட நிறுவனம் இந்த அளவுக்கு உலக அரங்கில் பேசப்படும் என்று நினைக்கவில்லை. பரந்த நோக்கு, முன்னோடி முயற்சிகள், சக்தி வாய்ந்த அணுகுமுறை, கடினமான உழைப்பும் பேரார்வமும் முக்கிய காரணம். கடவுள் காட்டிய தெய்வம் என் அம்மா என்று கூற வருகிறார் திரு சந்தான கிருஷ்ணன் அவர்கள்.
I have spoken in many public places. Many of it, or at least 50% of it, could be probably little flattery or saying more than what you should say. This is the only meeting in which I don't have to exaggerate anything. Whatever I say would only be true, and I can never exaggerate, because that is what is mothers are this thing. The second most important is, a woman can be a good daughter, not so good daughter. Good daughter-in-law, not so good daughter-in-law. Good mother and not mother-in-law, and not so good mother-in-law. But you have never seen mother being not so good at all. She's always good. I think she would have had. I must also tell you that probably every one mother would have been like that to the family. I'll only give you 1 or 2 instances where probably lack of education has no meaning to mother's care and mother's blessings. I have to say something personal, therefore I want you to understand. I got into a board of Punjab National Bank once, and I also got at the same time Federal Bank. I had decided to go to Punjab National Bank because your ego says that you have to go to a big bank, you have to be on a big board. I went and fell at my mother's feet and said, I'm going there. Where are you? எங்கடா போகிறேன்? நான் இதுக்கு போகிறேன், டெல்லி போகிறேன். கேரளாவில் குருவாயூர் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க. Why do you want to go there? Go to Federal Bank. I didn't even think about it. I went there and I stayed there for 8 years and I grew that bank so well. But that is not the end of it. I'm the only person, thanks to her blessings and thanks to everybody's this thing, is that the only person in this country who has finished a board at 12 o'clock. 1:30 I went and joined Catholic Syrian Bank. People ask, what has Santana Krishnan to do with Catholic Syrian Bank? It's a Catholic bank. It was nearer to Guruvayur. That's what she told me when I came back. So, in 2 instances where I truly felt that, and 1 or 2 instances which I should bring it here, is I was very ordinary and very poor in studies. I can't even disclose what my mark is today, because the examiner today may cancel my SSLC examination results. So I may have to redo all that, which I don't want to do it. She used to be going around until I come back from exams, Mahapariva's photograph. So she was the one who put me to Mahapariva, and I was brought up by him. I have walked, I have traveled, I have spent nights and nights alone with Mahapariva. Now, if you ask me, if she was not so devoted, I would have never gone to Mahapariva. I walked hours and hours with Mahapariva. I and he alone have shared quite a lot of things. She had a very, very loving brother by name Balakrishnan, who is no more there. He was so close to me and so dear to me that she thought loving brothers and sisters was another important issue. Since I have very little time, I also had the blessings of, because of the blessings of a great guru in Brahman Company, Mr. Suresh Shaw, I think, who is also here. All that I would say is we have done so much. And another thing which was very important is Go Samrakshana, which I learned. She was having a cow at home. She was not educated. She was always dependent on my parents, on my father for money and for anything, for any support. But we had a cow. Even today we have a cow at home because she's there with us. My parents are there. So all this brings so much of happiness and pleasure. We are very fortunate, though I learned from Murli how to organize a program and officially recognize mothers, which I have not done.
Thank you.